Uba Havingstone Karpran MLA ka VPP na Maringkeneng hagasngi baar ka dorbar sunrai jo ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jilla Meghalaya haka khandai tere Halor arja arpusan ulapan jingshai na Myntri ubadekmi yakatanat Civil Defense and Home Guard uba coming wanambon Halor ki Jingïap ki balam shaka Jingïap uba ribokson de Kharsawian guardsman haka bala lap yakamet yap jong u na surok Goripur haka jilla Assam. Uba ribokson na Maringkeneng udan hapadeng ke Jingsha hikai ha NDRF camp kepada ha Changsari North Guwahati Assam. Hendrai amsyam la syai kumno ulalit poi sya Goripur la ong bola ja ha ka janmit jo ka khandai trek yoyong arja arpusan ha ka por nyo baji AA watla ula Pyntip bomod lech sum da ka bapan borti nau para bayasya hikai lang. Haga jingwat yu batkat badang temu ban mundui ijahar ha Changsari Police Station haga sngi ka babot ki pulit jong katega Police Station kila Pyntip bagi pulit ka North Guwahati Police Outpost kila yo ban tam ya ka metyap haka met baladap narut surok ha Goripur hajan kawai ka dhaba haka por khandai siteng men met bar haba pet ya ka dur la penti kana bau dei uba ribokson. Ya kubasa uba riboksan la pendap post mortem haka khatwai tere yayong araja arpusan haswaban IT ya kamet jong u syaki bahyeng kila dan ki jingekran bau ba riboksan ula klat na kadaw ka hat atak ya kabaki bahyeng kimla ban pediang haba jubab na kaliang uba coming one ula ong bayamentahi ka District Training Center Home Guard East Khas Hills kadang ap ya kakai pot final post mortem na ka All India Institute of Medical Sciences Guwahati Assam.
I rise today to call the attention of the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Department under the Rule 54, Sub-Rule 1 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to bring the attention of this August House on the matter of such incident concerning the newspaper report published on the local newspaper Shillong Times dated 12 April 2025. That caption Home Guard founded in Assam while on training. Sir Shri Ribok Kharsawian, 834, Home Guard personnel, was a resident of Maringkeneng and went to Guwahati to attend the training on basic disaster management at the NDRF battalion camp in Changsari, Assam, which commenced from 7 April 2025 to 6 June 2025. But on the 9 April 2025, Shri Ribok Kharsawian went missing and later his body was found under mysterious circumstances. Report says that he may have died of heart attack. But the exact cause of his death is not yet confirmed till date. Sir late Ribok Kharsawian was about to complete 5 years of service and survived by his wife and a little daughter. Just the last few days, she called me and she wanted to know about the outcome of the post-mortem report. And so nothing has been, no assistance has been extended to the family of the deceased. So I strongly urge the government that a proper and fair inquiry into the cause of his death should be ordered immediately, and also to ensure that intensified and high priority investigation to the case by including specialized team. So I also want to urge the government that while before sending for training, proper health checkup should be there. And also while under training, proper safety measures and supervision also should be there, sir. So I urge that quick access to medical help in case of emergency. And sometimes I wish that whatever the information is available should be shared between the state government department concerned and the family of the deceased. So this unfortunate incident also shows that more care is needed whenever the state personnel are sent for training, especially outside the state. And so I found that our young men and women who serve under this Home Guard and Civil Defense found to be very dedicated, sincere and hardworking. So I feel it is our responsibility to see that they are protected, and even their families also need support at a time of tragedy. So this particular incident has caused immense worry and distress to his family and even the entire village community. So lastly, sir, I demand justice into the matter. I appeal to the government to take serious action on the matter and to put better system in place and to see that this thing should not happen in future. With these few submissions, sir, I receive my seat. Thank you, sir.
Minister in charge to reply, please.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I'm very thankful to the Honorable MLA from Mao Rinkeneng constituency, Mr. Havingstone Kharpran, who brought this calling attention under the Home Civil Defence and Home Guard under the Rule 51, one of the rules of conduct of business, to the new item published in Shillong Time dated 14/2025 under the caption Home Guard found dead in Assam while on training. Chairman, sir, as per the record, let me reply regarding this. Shri Riboksan Dakhar Savian ex-guardsman joined the Civil Defence Home Guards on the 1 December 2020 as a guardsman and was posted in the District Training Center Home Guards, East Kazil at Maudingdiang, Shillong. As per letter number G3/2025-68, dated 4th April 2025, copy attached, Ribok Sondakhar Savian, along with 22 personnel from the Warriors Unit of the Civil Defence and Home Guard, were nominated to attend the basic training management course at 1st Battalion National Disaster Response Force, Guwahati, that is from 7 April 2025 to 2nd June 2025, accordingly. Late Riboksan Dakhar Savian, along with other personnel, departed for the set training on the 6th April 2025 by the departmental boss. Along with the 22 personnel, late Riboksan Dakhar Savian had attended the training, that is from 7 April 2025 at NDRF Training Institute located at Changsari, Assam. However, on the 9th April 2025, he was reported missing from the training area. At the parent unit, the Office of District Training Home Guards, East Kazil, has first received information about the missing guardsman on 10th April 2025 at around 6:30 p.m. from his colleague. The news was further confirmed by the NDRF on the 10th April 2025. The Directorate of Civil Defence Home Guards was also informed about the missing of guardsman on the 10th April 2025 by the District Home Guard Commandant, East Kazil. According to the NDRF official, after roll call on the 9th April 2025, late Riboksan Dakhar Savian proceeded to the washroom to take a bath at approximately 7 p.m. However, he did not return to the training barrack. One of the trainees at NDRF Training Institute, Guardsman Sikom Tri Maulong, also informed that on the 9th April 2025, late Riboksan Dakhar Savian, while in the barrack, came and requested him to lend his bucket as he wanted to take a bath. Guardsman Maulong handed over the bucket as requested and proceeded toward the dining hall to have dinner. After finishing his dinner, he came back to the barrack and was thinking of taking a bath at around 8 p.m. approximately. However, he noticed his bucket missing, and as late Riboksan Dakhar Savian did not come back to the barrack, he went to search of him to the bathing area. Guardsman Maulong could not find him and went back to the barrack to inform his fellow trainees, and they started their search for late Riboksan Khar Savian, but they only found the bucket, clothes, towel and soap near the bathing area. They searched the entire campus, but as they could not locate his whereabouts, they informed officials from NDRF at around 9:40 approximately. A search team comprising of 24 personnel, with the 6 personnel in each team, conducted their search till 1 a.m., but they could not trace his whereabouts on the night of 9 April 2025. The search continued again at around 5:30 a.m. approximately on the 10 April 2025. On receiving the information about the missing guardsman on the 10 April 2025, the Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guard instructed the District Home Guard's Commandant East Kars Hills to direct the Inspector from NDRF, Sri B.K.R. Yadavto, to file a missing report immediately at the nearest police station. Accordingly, on the same day, the Directorate also instructed the Commandant, Border Wing Home Guards Battalion Meghalaya, and the District Home Guard Commandant East Kars Hills to proceed to Guwahati to take stock of the situation at the NDRF training area. However, before proceeding toward Guwahati, the District Home Guard Commandant East Kars Hills received a telephone call from one of the trainees' guardsman, Myntri Maulong, that one dead body was found by the police from Kyrwoh police outpost, and that the body had been kept at the GNRC hospital, and they needed to confirm whether it was late Riboksan Khar Savian. It was only after some time that the District Home Guard Commandant East Kars Hills received another call from Guardsman Myntri Maulong, who informed him that the body that was found was a late Riboksan Khar Savian. At around 12 noon on the 10 April 2025, the Commandant Border Wing Home Guards Battalion and the District Home Guards Commandant East Kars Hills proceeded to Guwahati and met the brother and relatives of late Riboksan Khar Savian halfway. The officers informed them that the body of the late guardsman has been shifted to AIM Hospital from GNRC Hospital as per information received from the NDRF official. The Commandant Border Wing Home Guards Battalion and the District Home Guards Commandant East Kars Hills proceeded toward Azara and met the Commandant and under senior officers of NDRF 1 Battalion, 1st Battalion, who then briefed them about matter pertaining to late Riboksan Khar Savian disappearance. The Commandant Border Wings Home Guard Battalion and the District Home Guard Commandant East Kars Hills then proceeded toward Kyrwoh Police Outpost with the intention of filing an FIR on the death of late guardsman. However, Sri Roland Dihar, brothers of late Riboksan Khar Savian, informed them that they had registered an FIR and had left the outpost or body of late Riboksan Khar Savian was already kept in the mode of AIMS Guwahati. On 11 April 2025, the District Home Guards Commandant, along with the staff from the District Training Home Guard Shillong, proceeded again to AIM Hospital, Guwahati, where a post-mortem of late Riboksan Khar Savian was to be conducted. On the reaching AIMS Hospital, the officer met the family members of the deceased, trainees from our department, and trainees from Assam, along with the police team from Kyrwoh Police Outpost. While the post-mortem was being conducted, District Home Guards Commandant East Kars Hills inquired from Inspector B.K.R. Yadav, NDRF, regarding the steps that were taken from their end to locate the missing guardsman. He stated that once they received the information from the trainees regarding the disappearance of late Riboksan Dakhar Savian, they immediately initiated the search from 9:40 p.m. approximately and continued till 1 a.m. in the morning. The search was again reiterated on 10/4/25 at around 5:30, and when he received a phone call to file a missing report at the nearest polling station, he immediately proceeded to Changsari police station along with some of the trainees from the department. On the reaching Changsari police station, the policeman on duty inquired from them regarding the purpose of their visit. They informed him that they came to file a missing report of late Boksan Savian, who was found missing on the 9th April 2025. The policeman on duty informed him that unknown male dead body was found by police personnel of Kyrwoh police outpost from the highway opposite to Hotel Bodlik in the Changsari Baihatacharali Road. The policeman on duty also showed a picture of late Riboksan Savian. The personnel then left Changsari police station and proceeded to Kyrwoh police outpost, where they met the in-charge Sri H. Sharma, who after processing all documents took them to JNRC hospital to see the body. The trainees on seeing the body were able to identify that it was late Riboksan Savian. After completion of the post-mortem, the body of late Riboksan was handed over to the family and was transported by the departmental mortuary van from Ames County to his residence at Maurkaneng. The Office of District Training Home Guards East Kazil assisted the family of the deceased guardsman in acquiring the death certificate as well as preliminary post-mortem report on the 18th June 2025. The death certificate and post-mortem report were handed over to the family members of late Riboksan Savian. On receiving the death certificate of late Riboksan Savian, the Office of District Training Center Commandant East Kazil immediately proceed the leave encashment amounting of 1,49,795 only, which was credited to his wife Srimati Evelyn Lamare on the 8/7/2025. However, the NPS contribution could not be credited to his wife since he had nominated his daughter, who is still a minor, as per instruction received from the Treasury Office. There are certain documents like PAN card, Aadhaar card and bank details of the minor daughter which are to be submitted to the Treasury Office for processing the NPS contribution, and the same was communicated to the wife of late Riboksan Savian to submit the required document as the earliest. On the 18th August 2025, the family member requested the Office of the District Training Center Humkat East Kazil to take up the matter with the North Guwahati Police to issue a clearance certificate and to submit the same at Ames Guwahati for getting a final post-mortem report. Accordingly, the office has written to the officer in charge, North Guwahati Outpost, on the 22nd August 2025 to issue the clearance so that the same can be submitted at AIM Hospital, Guwahati, and that the final post-mortem may be collected by the deceased guardsman families. However, the District Training Center Humkat East Kazil has been informed that the final post-mortem report has not been completed till date. Sorry.
Shri Livingstone Kalpran, you may seek one clarification, please.
So I just want to appeal to the government that to always put better system in place to see it, or to prevent that such incident should not take place in future.
Yes, as per the suggestion by the honourable member, we are noted, sir.
Habathin, pej bahaki kishab, Plus F.
Ka Plus F?
Hakabam bangi bam, duna ki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus f ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam badon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.